La 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 la. Oh, there's one. La 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 la. Got it. Yes. Oh no, it's gone. La 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 la. La 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 la. Yay! I got it again. This is really fun. Easter egg hunting.
Mario, you're still Easter egg hunting? Easter egg hunting's for babies.
No, it's not, Knuckles.
Yeah, it is. Cause I'm gonna do the manliest thing ever, and I'm gonna find the Easter Bunny. I'm gonna steal all his eggs. You wanna come with me?
Yes.
Alright, let's go. I'm bringing Silver as well.
Okay. My Easter egg. La, la, la.
Ah, this is the life. Hey! Whoa, 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 what, who, how, what? It's the bunny.
Ha, 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 ha.
I have come for your Easter eggs. Give it to me now, or I'll be forced to beat you up. You think you can beat me? Ow, 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 ow. I am the Easter Bunny. No one defeats me. Surprised you couldn't even find me. Got no brains. What are you here for? Nothing. Aw, Mario.
Hi.
You know me, probably. I keep laying out eggs for you, and you keep finding them. And since you're so good at finding Easter eggs, well, I have a quest for you. You must find the most greatest Easter egg in my collection, the Smiley Easter egg, before sundown. And if you don't, what's going on? These two get zapped with lasers and killed.
Okay, sounds fun. Oh, what's this?
Don't touch that! No evidence!
Ow. I wonder what he's talking about. Oh well, I'm gonna go on that quest now. It'll be the questiest quest ever.
And so, Mario went on the questiest quest to find the, uh, the smiley egg. He searched and he searched, but he could never seem to
I smell the egg. I guess it was just a tree.
The day seemed like it was lost, and the sun was just about to go down, when suddenly,
No, that is egg smell. There it is! It's the smiley face egg! It's right there! Yay! I'm gonna take it now.
destroyed my egg. This was the Easter Bunny's egg first. Yes, when I discovered a secret and he gave me that egg to cover it up. I don't care. I want to eat this anyway. No, you get back here! Hunt! I'm more annoying than the sun in Super Mario Brothers 3. Actually, that's debatable. Well, I guess you win. Or do you? Huh? 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 How do you stay so? How do you have so much stamina? I exercise, but you're so fat. You don't call me fat. Oh no! 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 Ah! 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 No! Yay! I got it. Anyway, I gotta be headed back to the Easter Bunny now. It's almost sunset. Hey guys, I got the spider egg. Where's the Easter Bunny? I think he went shopping. Oh, hello, Easter Bunny. Hello, Mario. Nothing in this bag. Really? Okay. Anyway, I brought you that egg. Oh yes, my egg. My egg. What? I can explain. I was carrying them from place to place. I was using the shopping bag. These are new. You're a fraud. You don't lay eggs. Or have chicks lay eggs. You buy them. Fine. What are you gonna do for it? I happen to be a police officer. You are under arrest. Wait, what? For fraud and blah 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 and breaking my heart. Ruining my childhood. You're gonna with me to prison. No, please don't. Don't. Also, you kidnapped my friends. Threatened to kill them if I didn't bring you back a laser. Or you tried to and beat me up and steal all my eggs. No point. Is he just gonna leave us here? Maybe I can hack into the door or something. It's a regular door with a regular lock. Then I'm gonna punch it down. But it has a force field on the inside. Then I'm gonna punch the force